Another day, another success story for you guys. Hi, you guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Jyotsna, and in today's video, I'm gonna read out an amazing success story. This is for anyone who's feeling demotivated, who's been going through a lot of rejections when it comes to applying to their dream roles, and for so many other people who have been waiting for such a long period of time but are not seeing any movement, any change, any improvement in what's happening in their reality. Then I've got you covered. So, this is Pooja's success story. In case you haven't followed me on Instagram, you definitely should because that is where I post a lot of my success stories as well. You can find most of the success stories in my highlights on Instagram. So definitely follow me there if you haven't already. So I recently posted Pooja's success story there as well. Pooja, if you're watching this, thank you so much for sending in your success story. And also thank you so much for allowing me to mention your name. I'm super grateful for that. Without any further delay, let's get started with the success story. I want to give you a brief overview before I actually read the success story. Pooja had dropped me an email on April 11th telling me that she was feeling stuck. She had purchased the workbook and the quantum jumping meditation. You guys already know I have a link for it in the description box. If you ever want to purchase it or you want to check it out, you can definitely click on that link. But she actually dropped me an email saying she was still struggling to be consistent with the methods. Things weren't working for her. Although she was trying to implement, she was trying to follow everything that I did mention in the workbook and also listening to the tape consistently. She still wasn't able to see the results that she was hoping for or she anticipated. She was finding it a little difficult. She has only 12 days left until the last working day, and the pressure is starting to build, and she has no idea what to do. So I basically sent her an email telling her how to follow the workbook and how to be consistent and what she can do at this particular time when there's so much pressure. Just a mindset block, not to feel the pressure, because a lot of us, especially when we set a deadline and we think, oh, we need a dream job or we need this particular job in 10 days because my notice period ends in 10 days. It's almost like you're preparing to fail already even before it began, because when you force a deadline in your mind, it gets very hard for you to manifest it because you're again acting from that desperate state. So I just told her to focus on her mindset, to just be consistent with the methods that she was already following, and to not worry. At the end of the day, job is just a part of your life. I know a lot of people consume all of their thoughts as soon as they wake up until they go to sleep, acting on the identity of not having a job, because the more you identify yourself as someone who's still struggling to find a job, who's still trying to attract a job, you stay stuck in that identity. If you really want to change your identity, you have to simplify and normalize that desire. You have to see it as something that's easy to attain. It's not something you need to worry about. It's not something you need to stress about. You just have to focus more on becoming the version of yourself who already has the job instead of focusing on the version of yourself who doesn't have it. So this is pretty much what I briefly explained her. And on May 24th, I got a success story from Pooja. So as you can see, it was about a month, I would say, that she gave me an update. So this is the email that she has sent me. She said, "Hi Jyotsna, I had mailed you about a month ago when I was feeling stuck. After your guidance, I consciously started working on my self concept and mindset, and I genuinely wanted to share something beautiful that happened. I actually received another offer on my very last working day. There's one more thing that feels unbelievable to me. In my initial manifestation phase, I was specifically affirming and scripting for Barclays. So, Barclays is her dream company. I used to visualize myself working there, wrote scripts about it, and really desired that opportunity. But interestingly, my Barclays interview did not get cleared at that time. So, as you can tell, she kind of put Barclays on a pedestal in a way. That's what most of us do, and there's nothing wrong in that. We all have a dream company. We want to visualize, we want to be there. But, sometimes when you do so many methods or when you're so desperate about it, and sometimes it's just, not meant for us, also, that can also happen where a dream company at that particular moment or at that particular time is not meant for us. So, maybe even in such circumstances, you might face a rejection. But like I always tell, if not this, then something better, something bigger and better is always coming. So, yeah, even if a rejection comes, I just hope you understand and realize that a rejection is just a redirection and better things are coming. Like literally, bigger and better things are coming for you as well. And now, in my current company, my client is Barclays, and I actually report to the Barclays office only. Do you see what the universe did here? Pooja just wanted to work with Barclays, and the universe heard that very clearly, and that is exactly what it provided for her. Don't worry about how that dream company is actually going to come into your life. It could come as a full-time opportunity, it could come as a client in this case. Literally don't know the way universe is going to surprise you. This story actually reminds me of that time when I had applied for Google and I was literally manifesting a full-time opportunity in Google. And I got rejected, unfortunately. And I was like, okay, if not this, then something bigger and better is going to come, or maybe eventually I will end up in Google some, day in the future. And I didn't really care much about it. But just days later, I actually was able to successfully monetize my YouTube channel, and I got my first paycheck. And I was shocked when I opened my first paycheck and it said payment from Google, because Google AdSense pays me. So technically, I get like a paycheck from Google every month thanks to my YouTube channel. It's just absolutely crazy to think that I really, really wanted to manifest this company, and somehow this company is paying me now for all the videos I make. So, yeah, you never know how the universe is going to surprise you. As long as you are open and you're abundant and you're ready to receive, you're going to get surprised. Like, trust me, you can expect the unexpected. Sometimes I genuinely wonder how the universe arranges things in ways we cannot logically predict. It may not have come in the exact form I expected, but somehow it still found its way to me. This experience has made me believe even more deeply that if you truly persist, work on your self concept, and keep faith, manifestations do unfold in unexpected ways. Thank you again for your guidance and support during this phase. It really helped me shift my mindset. Not only has she manifested Barclays, but it actually came in the most surprising way ever. I love when the universe surprises you. I love when the universe gives you something bigger, something better than what you really anticipated or what you really dreamed about, because that just shows how magical our reality is. As long as you believe, you dream big, you don't worry about anything that's coming into your life, or you don't care about how it's unfolding, you can literally expect miracles. Like, you can expect to see magic, you can expect to see the best blessings coming to you, and it's literally coming to you without you even lifting a finger. I also asked her if I could share the success story, and she said absolutely, you can use my name, I'll be happy. And she also shared that the first offer she received was from Bangalore, but deep down she really wanted to stay in Pune, and finally she got the Pune location itself. And I think all of this happened within around 20 days after our conversation. Honestly, the way everything unfolded still feels unreal to me sometimes. I just love it. I love how you don't expect something to unfold in a certain way, but it just comes to you miraculously. I love that. So I also asked Pooja to specifically tell me if there was any, particular step or any particular method from the workbook that helped her, because I do understand that not everyone can purchase the workbook. And I know a lot of you guys, love my affirmation tapes, and I try to keep them for free in my channel as well. So just in case, you don't want to buy the workbook, then maybe you can just follow the method that Pooja has followed. So I just asked her which one worked, and she said the robotic affirmations was what worked the best for me. My main affirmation was everything always works out for me. You guys know I love this affirmation. Everything always works out for me, or everything works out in my favor. You can literally repeat any affirmation you want to, and automatically when you repeat this affirmation, I promise you, you're going to feel good. You're at least going to feel better. You're at least going to, go away from that state of anxiety, from that state of tension and uncertainty. You just automatically trust the universe and, just believe that everything always works out in your favor. So there's nothing to worry about. So that is why I love that affirmation so much. And the biggest thing, I didn't just repeat it, I actually genuinely believed it. And I know a lot of people struggle to believe their affirmations initially when they are practicing it. Trust me, I've been there too. There were so many affirmations I did not believe in, and I thought it was very silly when I was repeating them. But after a point of time, maybe after 10 minutes of repeating, or maybe you do it consistently for 3-4 days, on the fifth day, you actually start believing them. Trust me, the more you train your mind to believe it, it actually happens. I always tell myself, मुझे जो चाहिए ना, मुझे वो मिल ही जाता है. So technically, in case you don't understand Hindi, it just means whatever I want, I just know I'm going to get it. Like, I just know it's going to find its way to me. That's what she means. I used a counter app and affirmed like I earn 1.5 lakhs per month in my current job, around 100 times daily in the morning. And whenever I felt doubtful and in night, I listened to your affirmations tape on YouTube. The dream job one. Your voice is so soothing. Thank you so much for that. I know a lot of you guys loved that affirmation tape. I'll try to make more affirmation tapes too. If you have any personal recommendations or something that will be useful useful to everyone, watching my channel, then you can definitely put in your recommendations in the comments below, and I will make more affirmation tapes for you guys on YouTube as well. For scripting, honestly, I only did it properly during the initial 4 to 5 days after buying your workbook. After that, I mostly just kept rereading what I had written and stayed connected to the feeling of it. This one actually works really, really well too. A lot of people misunderstand the concept of scripting. They think, oh, I need to script something every single day. I need to write every single day. I need to do 555 method. I need to do 333 method. I don't even know. There are so many random scripting methods right now. But honestly, you don't have to do it. You can literally write one script, read it every day, feel abundant, feel like you already have it, believe it's already done, and let go of it. Like there are people who literally read their script just once and are still able to manifest things because they just believe that if they read it once, it's done. Like they don't have to read it every day, they don't have to be in that feeling 24/7. They just know that reading it once makes it happen in reality. So that's the kind of confidence, that's the kind of certainty you need to have. I have like a purpose statement that I wrote down. I have a video on it. You can watch that next, where I literally mentioned the script, the exact script that I have, and I pretty much read that script almost every day. It's the same script and it has worked magically for me. So don't complicate the process of scripting. I did mention scripting in detail in my workbook, but at the same time, you don't have to do it regularly. It's up to you. If you want to do it regularly, it helps you feel better, it helps you focus better, then do it every day. But it's not mandatory to script every day. You can just read one script or just read that one particular offer letter you drafted, and that's it. That's more than so enough. I think for me, consistency in affirmations plus belief and self-concept worked more than doing too many techniques. So as you can see, Pooja's secret was self-concept and of course robotic affirmations. So yeah, that was it for today's video, you guys. I really, really love this success story so much because as you can tell, there was so much pressure, there was so much anticipation. She needed guidance, she felt stuck, she felt demotivated, but in less than 20 days, literally less than 20 days, she manifested her dream company. Hey guys, I'm not kidding when I say this. I get on an average 2 success stories every single day. Sometimes it's an email, sometimes it's an Instagram DM, or sometimes it's a YouTube comment also. But on an average, I get 2 every day, and to be honest, I'm actually falling behind. I am not reading all of them. I know you guys genuinely have taken the time and have put in the effort to send me your success stories. I'm really, really thankful to you, but I'm trying to cover my email success stories for now. If you have a really good success story that is going to inspire all of us, then let's just help the community. Let's be in this together. Drop in your success story to my email. This is my email because currently I'm only reading my email success stories. Purchase a workbook or the quantum tape or even the Manifest Instantly course. Please let us know which method worked the best for you, because I am sure all the people who are at least watching my channel and who can probably not afford to take the course now, they'll at least know the exact method to do and follow so that they can implement it. So yeah, that'll be very, very helpful. That's it for today's video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Lots of love. Bye.